It is a beautiful final few days in Western Washington. Tuesday morning, the final Tuesday of 2025, did bring in a little bit of fog for the region. This is a loop from Olympia, the state's capital, on this Tuesday morning, showing, yes, some visibility issues certainly prominent. But over the downtown Seattle area, clear skies are shining, and that's the story as we head into the afternoon. It's going to be a spectacular day today. The final few days of 2025 will ring in really mild conditions across the region. You can see Mount Rainier there in the background shining behind the city skyline. So really nice. And the Space Needle, quiet right now, but that is where we will turn our attention tomorrow night. The New Year's at the Needle performance, fireworks, drones at the Seattle Center. This is going to be the focus of our attention as we head into our New Year's Eve. Taking you to Washington Mountain, Snoqualmie Pass, sitting at elevation 3,000 feet, clear on the roadways right now. Snow there on the side of the road. This is all from last weekend. We are not expecting new snow through the end of this year. We're staying dry for the lowlands. That means the mountains as well. So new snow not looking likely for the time being, but as we head into the weekend, we will bring back rain chances for the lowlands and snow for the mountains. So 2026 is going to bring in some changes. It was a cold start to Tuesday morning as well. Look at this. This is what we woke up to this morning. Shelton and Olympia both got down to 27 degrees. Puyallup got down to 28 degrees. We were at freezing in Tacoma and Mount Vernon as well. A little bit warmer along the coast. Hoquiam at 35, Bremerton at 35 degrees as well. So these were our Tuesday morning lows, and that's close to normal for this time of year, but a little bit cooler. Typically average highs at SeaTac, where we measure our standards. 47 is the high, 37 is the low. So when we have mid 40s for highs and low 30s for lows, that's a few degrees cooler than normal. But check this out. Sunrise right before 8 a.m., sunset at 4:27 p.m. Now that the winter solstice has passed, we're seeing our daylight start to lengthen. This is true for everybody, but in Washington, we see these drastic swings. Our shortest day is extremely short. Our longest day is extremely long because we're so far north. So summer equinox, we see 16 hours of daylight. Winter, so December 21st this year, we saw 8 hours and 25 minutes of daylight. Today, we're at 8 hours and 30 minutes of daylight, so 5 minutes longer than the least amount of the year. So we're slowly starting to inch back toward that. And that's one of the beautiful things that we look forward to in Washington is knowing that once winter begins, our days are getting longer, slowly but surely. So we are in that pattern right now. For the final Tuesday of 2025, temperatures will warm into the mid 40s this afternoon. We're actually looking at plentiful sunshine across the region. It's going to be a beautiful day. Highs for the day will be in the mid 40s, so just a degree or two cooler than that seasonal normal for this time of year. Spectacular day on tap. Wednesday morning, New Year's Eve, the final day of 2025, we're once again looking at cold temperatures and the potential for fog, very similar to what we saw Tuesday morning. Down around South Sound, that's where we'll see those sub-freezing temperatures, the coldest spots, very much a rinse and repeat of Tuesday. And then right just above freezing as we head into Central and North Sound. And then same thing for our highs, very similar to what we observed already. We are going to see temperatures into the mid 40s for New Year's Eve. This is your hourly breakdown, our final few hours of 2025. We'll see those 40s once the sun is up, but once it sets, we'll cool into the 30s. So it actually looks like it'll be clear at midnight. That New Year's at the Needle show will be pretty mild, but cold. So anyone who is heading out to celebrate New Year's at the Needle or any other New Year's Eve plans, just bundle up because temperatures will be in the 30s. Then we ring in the new year, the first day of 2026. Temperatures won't change really much at all. We'll see those highs in the mid 40s, but we'll watch cloud cover increase. And that is a sign of the changes that are heading our way. So here we go, Tuesday afternoon. There's that sunshine, especially as you head farther south. A disturbance up in British Columbia is bringing some rain up along the northwest, but really all we're seeing from that impact is just some cloud cover that is pushing through, passing along the peninsula and up to the north. But It's fair weather clouds, no big impacts there. Into our Wednesday afternoon, we're starting to see some clouds kick in from the south, but same thing, no rain quite yet. In fact, we'll see a really beautiful final day of 2025. And then at midnight, as we ring in the new year, skies will be clear. It'll be a really nice end to the year. But then we take a step forward into Thursday. 2026 begins. And we see that disturbance that's moving up from California. It's starting to creep into western Washington, bringing some rain chances along that Washington-Oregon border on Thursday evening. A few showers sneak into the region, mostly along the coast, and best chance for showers is going to be farther to the south, but it's easing into it. It's not very wet to begin. We will see better rain chances arriving by this weekend. So as we head into, this is Thursday, we're first few hours of Thursday, we see this ridge of high pressure that's still staying strong, but then into the day on Thursday it lifts and it brings that first real chance for rain on Friday. This is Friday afternoon here, some light rain starts to move in, but then Saturday we see a better chance for rain as well. So Friday and Saturday we'll have showers that move in and will lower snow levels as well. So right now we have an inversion. It's colder at the surface. Snow levels are staying high right now. But into the weekend, we'll watch those snow levels moving down. We'll get to about pass level as early as Saturday into Sunday. So with that precipitation moving in, it looks like we'll have some pass level snow moving in as well, which we certainly need. Our snowpack has had a slow start, so that is a great sign there. So to sum it all up for you, final few days of 2025 are beautiful, cold mornings, pleasant afternoons. Once 2026 starts, we bring back the rain. Our lows will rebound. We're back to around 40 degrees, so a lot warmer for those overnight lows, and we'll also see our daytime highs warming up just a tiny bit, with 40s expected, getting up to around 50 degrees by the weekend. And once again, that mountain snow potential moves in as well.